Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. The price line has broken out the resistance of this falling wedge on the daily time frame and has reached the target of this wedge pattern. That was the tail of this pattern. Now the price action is stuck here around at $40,000, and today we will try to analyze whether the price action will be moved more up from here. It will be dropped down back into this strong support zone that starts from $31,000 and goes to $28,800. And there is a difference of opinion that whether on the small time frame is this a rising wedge pattern or is this a formation of an ascending triangle. And I want to share my opinion whether is this a rising wedge or an ascending triangle. So join me, don't skip the video. And if you're not subscribed to my channel so far, then do subscribe it. And if you would like to support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing the different trading ideas on the daily basis, then you can find the link I've shared in the video's description. Now, first of all, let me to show you this chart. And here we have already seen that the price action formed this falling wedge pattern. Even at that time, we had the difference of opinion whether this is this a falling wedge or a descending triangle. In fact, this was the falling wedge that is a bullish reversal pattern, and the price action in fact reversed bullish from after testing the support of this falling wedge and this very strong support zone as well. And now we can see that the price action has in fact reached the target of this falling wedge as well. Now this was a very strong support at $40,000, and now we can see that the previous candlestick, you can watch the closing price here. This is the closing price. I'm just going to place my mouse here on the candle and you can watch the price there, and you can see that we have the closing of the previous candlestick at $40,036. $40,036. That is above $40,000, and now we are moving at 40,000, sometimes above 40,000, sometimes below 40,000. But if we zoom the chart out, then we can see that we have another layer of resistance above $40,000 that is coming from here. That is at $42,000. That is a very thin layer of resistance, a very small layer of resistance, you can say, from $40,000 to $42,000. And you can see that here it has been breaking as a resistance, and here it has been breaking somehow as a support. The price action reached very close to this $40,000 here, and here it has been working as a resistance, and now it can again work as a resistance. And here we have another rejection, like the price action moved down, moved up again, and rejected by this resistance of $42,000 and dropped down again and formed this falling wedge pattern here. Now, after when the price action will break out this resistance zone, now we are above $40,000. There is a very strong probability that the price action will break out the $42,000 as well. Then an imminent move up to $50,000 can be expected, because you can see that we don't have any significant resistance or support between this zone from $42,000 to $50,000. And after breaking out the $50,000, there will be another imminent move to the $60,000 as well. Now let's move to the smaller time frame, where I told you that there is a difference of opinion. Some people are saying that this is the falling wedge. They're including these candlesticks in this pattern, these two candlesticks. And after including these two candlesticks, this is the formation of the falling wedge. However, if we try to pick the latest trend and exclude these two candlesticks and only include the candlesticks from here to here, then this is an ascending triangle. Now here I'm going to share my opinion on this. That can be wrong. However, if you remember, previously when all the traders were calling this a descending triangle, if you remember, if you're following my videos on the Bitcoin, then I started telling you that this is the falling wedge based on the different indicators. I used the oscillators and the moving averages as well. And the basic indicator that I've been showing you in my video was the volume profile. When I placed the volume profile on the complete price action, then it was showing us the point of control above the resistance of this falling wedge. We had the traders interest up to this level that was above the resistance, and even to the downside, we had the traders in very weak interest of the traders below this level that was showing that it will be difficult for the price action to move down to this support again. And same indicator I'm just going to apply here on both patterns. For example, if I place the volume profile fixed range on the complete price action involved in this rising wedge pattern, then we can see that it is showing us the trader's interest even below the support, and we have the point of control even below the support. And you know that the rising wedge is a bearish bias pattern, and it shows that the price action can reverse bearish towards the downside from here. And this, the ascending triangle, is the continuation pattern, and you can see that the price action is coming from the downside. Therefore the price action can continue the trend, and it can break out the resistance of this ascending triangle. Now, in order to catch the recent trend, I'm just going to apply the fixed range on of the volume profile on the complete price action involved in the formation of this ascending triangle. And we can see that the recent trend is showing us that the point of control is moved up, and it is moved at the support. It is showing that the price action, if the price line will follow the support, the point of control, as I've been telling you in my previous videos, that the price action follows the point of control of the volume profile. But it depends whether you have caught the right pattern or not, because if you have placed the volume profile on the wrong pattern, then it can misguide you. Now, after placing the volume profile on this price action, we can see that it is showing that the point of control is moving up, and we have the trader's interest even up to this resistance of the ascending triangle. Now, I'm just going to place the oscillator here. That is the stochastic RSI. So I've placed the stochastic RSI, then you can see that the stochastic RSI is oversold. And even in this chart, you can see that the stochastic RSI is in the oversold. And now we can also observe that when the price action entered this pattern here, the stochastic RSI was overbought. That was showing that the market is overbought, and from here the market can move towards the downside. And at the same time, when the price action entered here in this pattern, you can see that the stochastic was overbought and it was moving down. That was showing that the market is overbought, and from here it can move towards the downside. Now the rising wedge pattern is also squeezed, and we are at the end of this ascending triangle as well. So this is the decision making time for the price action, and at that time you can see that this oscillator is oversold. That is showing that the market is quite oversold now, and from here the market can be moved towards the upside. So I'm just going for the new trend, for the recent trend, and I am in favor of this ascending triangle. In my opinion, this is the ascending triangle. That is a continuation pattern. The market is oversold. You can see that the point of control of the volume profile is also moved towards the upside. That is showing that the buyers are interested to even buy up to this resistance of the ascending triangle as well. And we are reached at the very end of this rising wedge and this ascending triangle as well. However, it can be wrong. It's my opinion. You can do your own research as well. This is not a financial advice. However, based on the facts and figures, we can conclude that this is the ascending triangle. And in this situation, if the price action will break out the resistance of this ascending triangle, then our next target can be, if I place this trend line here, then our next target can be, you can see, is $45,100. And in case of breakdown, our target to the downside can be, for example, if it will break down the support from here, that will be $35,300. However, I'm not expecting that the price action, for example, if it will break down, it can break down this previous support of $36,000, because previously it has been working as a very strong resistance. Now it will work as a very strong support. And in case of breakout, the price action Our next target is $45,000 in case of breakout I have shown you. But I'm expecting that the price action can imminently move up to $50,000 because we don't have any significant resistance or support up to $50,000 on the daily time frame. So this move can be imminent in case of breakout. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the video. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And do support me at the Patreon for more ideas. I've shared the link in the video's description. You can find there. Take care. Goodbye.